This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be taking a look at 8 essentials for every cake decorating beginner. It's broken down into segments so you can skip ahead, rewind, and rewatch as desired. Liqua gel color sets are kind of a must. The liquid gel colors are nice. They'll give you great intense colors. So with things like our violet over here, you can make anything from a range of a pastel to a super intense purple. And you've got 2 main options when it comes to these, your regular or artificial ones and the all natural varieties, and both work really well. If you want to see how those natural food colors perform, we've got a nice video on using these, but a set of one or the other will serve you well. What you want to look for is something that comes with a nice range. So think your primaries, right, red, yellow, and blue, secondary colors like green and orange, and then some nice others like a pink, brown, and black to give you a well-rounded set. I always recommend starting off with a set of the small bottles. They're petite sizes. They still come with those dropper tops, which make them easy to dispense and easy to clean up after. And you can get a nice range of those colors. When you've used something up, you can always buy in a larger size individually, which means you're only buying a lot of the ones you need the most. Your small offset spatula. This one is a must for a beginner decorator. They're typically listed as 4 3/4 inch blades, and there's a lot of brands out there. We like starting off with the wooden handles. They're typically the most affordable, and they're great if you're a beginner. Now there's lots of options to upgrade to later, and you're always going to need more spatulas. They're really useful tools, but this one is a great starting place. And then if you feel like you're really into cake decorating, you can upgrade to ones with plastic or metal handles. There's some with some great ergonomic grips, and there's a whole bunch of different blade lengths and blade variations that you might find useful later. But this one I love because it's got that nice short blade on it. It puts your hand really close to the blade, and it helps give you increased control because we're really close to the action. So it makes it a great one to start with for beginners. Extra bags. Something that every decorator needs, and needs typically a lot of. There's some great options. If you'd like reusable ones and you don't mind washing them out, the silicone ones that are available now give you great stretch and give and nice strong seams. And they're easy to wash out and care for, and they're also lightweight enough that they can be used easily with tips and couplers. If you prefer disposable bags, we like the Atika ones in both the 12 and 18-inch sizes. You can see we've got some 12 inches out here in use, and I've got a roll of the 18 out as well. And you can see they come in these nice rolls. It's easy to tear off the bags, and they also come with a dispenser box. Extra couplers. Most tip sets will come with 1, maybe 2 if you're lucky, but having a bunch of extras is going to be a great bonus for you. You're often going to want to make more than 1 bag at a time and use more than 1 color at a time. So buying yourself some small packs of the extra standard size couplers, like these great plastic ones we're showing here, is a great buy. And you can typically buy them in sets of 2, 4, or 12, but buy as many as you need. A cake leveler. This one gets used before the decorating even starts, but nice level layers that can be stacked up evenly and are well supported are the basis of a well-iced cake. These are going to help prevent things like cracks and splits in your cakes and are going to give you a nice presentation for the inside as well as the outside. They come with things like adjustable wires. You can see this one has feet and a nice handle, and it allows you to just glide it across the table and cleanly slice through your cake layers to make nice, easy, level layers for your cakes. Tip cleaning brushes. These are a must. If you get yourself a nice set of tips, you want to make sure that you can care for them properly. And this, that looks like the world's tiniest little bottle brush, is a great way to get down in those tiny little nooks and crannies on all of your tips and make sure you can get them nice and clean. Tip sets. There are a lot of options for these, and we actually have a great video that's a bit of a buying guide that reviews a little more in depth what's in a lot of the different ones that are regularly available. And there's two really great brands that you might want to look into trying. Both Wilton and Atico make really great tip sets for beginners. And as you can see here, there's a range of size options from small ones with just, you can see like 8 tips, to much larger things like 55-piece kits. And some of the larger kits especially will come with other helpful things. Not only a great case to keep everything in, but stuff like flower nails and maybe a coupler or two. And some of them even come with larger decorator size tips in addition to the smaller standard ones. If you buy a smaller one to start with because you're looking at making less of an investment and you're unsure of the hobby, that's a great idea. And don't worry too much about whether or not you get really into it later and buy another bigger one. Typically what you'll see is you end up with repeats of numbers that are really crucial that you might want to use more than one of when you do larger projects. So having duplicates isn't a big deal. Turntables. Turntables are always a good investment if you're getting into cake decorating. To begin with, you might just want to go with a simple plastic one, like the one we have here. They're easy to clean, easy to maintain. They're going to give you that lovely rotating action you need, and they're nice and affordable. As you go, you might want to upgrade to a metal one. They're going to be nice and easy to clean. You can see the one that we have here comes with a nice rubber grip for the base too to keep it from sliding around. And the key factor here is it's going to be increased stability and a much smoother glide. So these might be a more pricey investment once you get a little into the hobby. And that's perfectly okay. As you can see, we've got more than one turntable here and we use them all. I've had the one on top probably for close to 2 decades now, and it's still chugging along. So even the plastic ones are a really great investment. We hope you enjoyed our quick guide of 8 essentials we think every beginning cake decorator needs. And if you've got some favorites of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and you want to check out some more in-depth looks at some of the equipment featured, we've got a great tip buying guide and an in-depth look about using natural food colors. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It truly supports our channel and helps us share more in-depth cake decorating lessons. Want to level up your skills? Our yearly membership has certificate programs from beginner and up. Learn more at cakedecorating school.com.